use your Apple Wallet. In this tutorial I will show you how you can do that. So it's pretty simple. Just open up the wallet application on your iPhone. So just tap on it and open it up. When you open it up, here you will see all the cards that you have added to your Apple Wallet that you can use for making payments. Okay, if you don't have any cards, these are the cards I have added, but if you don't have anything, you'll see none, but you can add it. Okay, apart from that, if you click on the three dots on your top right there, here you will see there is an option called orders. If you tap on these orders, here you will see all the orders that you have placed with any participating merchants. So those ones will appear here. So that's if you have any orders with any of the merchants, you can see that here, which you have paid through Apple Pay. You can see all those details here. Okay, and now to use this Apple Pay or Apple Wallet, you need to first add your card. So you can either use the Apple Cash. So this is actually specifically for you can like send and transfer money with messages or within the app. So you need to add funds to this. You can set this up. This is only exclusively only for US residents, so you can just try that. But other than that, usually what you can do is you can simply add any of your bank cards here. Okay, to do that, click on the plus icon there, and then now select what type of card you want to add. So depending on your region, you will have different options to add here, but the most common one is the debit or credit card option. So I will just tap on the debit or credit card option and then click on continue. And all you have to do is simply take a photo of your debit or credit card, or you can just enter it manually by tapping on enter manually and plug in your details here. So plug those details and you'll be able to add your card here. So once you have added the card, you will see that your card appears here. So every time when you want to make a payment, all you have to do is go to your Apple Wallet, just open it up, and then select the card that you want to make the payment with. So for example, if you want to make a payment with this card here, just tap on the card. Okay, tap on the card, and then to activate it, all you have to do is you can either double press your side button, your side power button. You can just double tap it and that will authorize the payment, or if you're using facial ID, you can use that too, or if you use with passcode, you can also use the passcode to authorize it. So how you, depending on how you want to authorize it, but that's basically what you have to do is, so when you go to a merchant or store, all you have to do is when you want to make a payment, just go to the next to the card reader, just place your phone next to your card reader and then select the card that you want to pay, in this case for example here, and then just authorize it by double tapping or with passcode, and that's it, the payment will be done. So that's basically how you can use this Apple Wallet or Apple Pay, simply just by using your phone. Just access the app, add your card, and then you can simply make payments through your phone.